Oh, hey guys. I guess it's shop tour time. We are in full-blown June Sprints prep mode. So I'm just finishing up Stephen Power's car on the dyno. Just got it installed yesterday and got it running, broken in. Just finishing up all the tuning. You can see here, I only run these valve covers on the dyno, the one that's cut off in the front. And then now that it's all tuned in, so you're asking yourself, why would you do that? That's because every motor wants something a little bit different when it comes to cam timing. So once I get my air-fuel ratio set, my ignition timing set, I'll come up here and I will finally adjust the cams to optimize them. Might be surprised what that'll do for your engine on the dyno. But now that we've got it all broken in and dynoed and tuned, take the car back to the other side of the shop, dump out the break-in oil, let it cool off, put on the full front cover, valve cover. We're gonna be looking good. And besides that, that's the last thing to do on this car. So we're looking good. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have ourselves a reverse shop tour today. So we're starting at this end of the shop. Let's work our way in. Mazda 2 update. Haven't had much time to do anything. Didn't really need much. So got the oil changed, working on mounting some tires. Nut and bolt check is done, brakes are done. You saw that last week. Fortunately, not much to do on the Mazda 2 because I've got so much going on in the shop. So, talk about last minute. I expect to see the transmissions for Ken's car today from FedEx Freight. So, I'm getting everything else done in the shop so that I've got time to focus on this hopefully this afternoon and tomorrow and over the weekend and get this one finished up as well. I've gotten Eric's engine completely done. Now that Stephen's car is done, Stephen Power's car is done, after that it's full bore onto Eric Greisinger's car. Stephen Simon's car is completely done. So you can get a look at the new tunnel in the car. Everything worked out beautiful. So the install was perfect. The new tunnel is really nice. There's riv nuts under each one of these bolts. So if he ever needs to pull the top of the tunnel off, he can just take the bolts out. You can see his total discharge controller right here is sitting on top of this. And this is a little heavier duty top than I would normally put on, but that's making it nice and strong. But man, these transmissions are so sweet. So got everything done, got the car on the dyno, motors making good power, transmission shifting beautifully, completely done. So one car completely done, Stephen Power's car, in an hour I'll be done. And then we go to Eric's while I'm waiting on transmissions. So still got a little bit to do, of course, in the next few days, but it's only Thursday, so I've got all day today, all day Friday. Probably not going to work on Saturday, but I've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I'm looking pretty good here, actually. I'm feeling pretty good about it. So just getting ready to pull Eric's engine off the stand. You can see I've got his old valve cover on right now. Gives you a really good idea of why I use these. So once this, of course, we're done on the dyno, then we put on the beautiful new fully enclosed valve cover. So looking good there. So just kind of pumping hard this week, man. It's been a long week already, but I'm feeling pretty good about where I'm at to get all these cars ready for the June Sprints next week. So I don't have to work 12 to 13 hour days that often, but when it's time to do it, you just have to do it. So here we are, June 13th. Thanks for watching the reverse shop tour. Next week we will have one right as I'm leaving. We'll actually probably record it the day before so you guys can see everything that's done. By the time you see next week's shop tour, I will hopefully be at Elkhart Lake. If not, I'll be very close. So hope to see a lot of you up there. Looking forward to it. There's a huge amount of cars entered, which is going to be super fun. and we're going to see how we stack up. I think there's like 15 H cars, 21 F cars, 20 E-production cars. It is a stacked June sprint, so really looking forward to that. Hope to see a lot of you up there in a week, but check out next week's shop tour. Hopefully it's more of a relaxing, everything's done, check it all out kind of a situation. We shall see. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Thanks for watching as always. Take care.